Okay, I had a bit of dark chocolate. Time out. Now, surely I can win one game today, one or two. I will not let it rest until I win one or two games. So there might be a record number of games today. No, it should be cool. It should be cool. Okay, swap. What about Elephant Gambit or something? Just for a bit of fun. Put the fun factor back in. He's clearly stuck in the opening phase of this game, not knowing the Elephant Gambit latest theory. So here I can just sack e4 if he takes, and knight c3. I can play bishop e7 with a good position, I think. I hope. Okay, because the king's still in the centre. It is 2 pawns though, but usually this is quite good. Okay, I can win 1 pawn back immediately, but that's queen c4. If I play king h8 then? Bishop g4. If I check now on b5, it takes bishop a6. Is there some sort of attack here? a4, a3? I'm being a bit optimistic. b5 and a4? I think it's shutting that down as well. I'm keeping king in the centre, I think. Well, on c1 if I lose the exchange. Bishop check at some point. So rook c8 and oh no, this looks lost. Queen f7 to a2, is that a chance? Well, bishop g5 doesn't do anything. Actually, bishop g5 here, it looks to sort of do something now. Is he blundered? Okay. Or not. So if I take and then queen g2, I'm threatening queen c2 mate. So in that position, knight f7. No, there's queen d8 there. So So maybe just queen e6 here for a sec. Trying to get in queen a2 or something, or rook d6. Mind you, rook d6 is probably totally out of the question for a long time now. What about just, okay, what? There's queen e5. Well, I'll just blunder the rook. Yes, okay, there was a point to that. Oh dear. I'll take it here. Threatening bishop e3. Also maybe queen e4. Can I swindle this? It's queen e4. Threatening queen c2. So say, I don't know, rook e2, there's queen b1, then the checks run out. Okay. There's bishop c2 in that position. Bishop c2, threatening queen d1, I hope. Actually there was rook. There was a rook maybe we could have used. I don't know, bishop d1 threatens queen c2, bishop d1. Queen c2, queen c1. So there you go, queen c1. As king d4. Interesting. Okay, so probably that's a shot anyway. Right, if I go back here, well, bishop c2 doesn't seem to do anything. Play that again. Is he afraid of king d4? Is there a problem with king d4? A draw. Have I got a draw in hand? Okay. After these performances, I don't know. Should I take a draw? Bishop e5. I'm missing false mate. Bishop e5 takes queen c2, king d4. No, there isn't queen c2. I think I'll just see what happens here. And move his king out. So bishop e2. Actually, I've got queen g1. Bishop e2 and queen g1. Maybe this is something you missed. I'm winning the b6 pawn. Could be my first bit of luck all day this game. Yes, I've actually won a game today. From a terrible position. From a completely lost position, blundering a rook. So I was, yeah. Yeah. I don't know what to say. Sorry. I can only apologise again for my play today. And lack of calculation skills. I think my calculations gone for a bit. Maybe it's returned slightly towards the end of this game. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.